Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
We want to talk about Amagues, when to use it.
And when not.
Okay, yes. But before we go to the video, remember to subscribe with notifications, like if you enjoy it, and share with your friends.
Now, enough talking, let's get to work.
Okay, here we are at the dance floor, ready to show you Amagues. Cases, when to do it, when not to do it.
4 leaders and 4 followers. So right away, we're going to show you this very simple figure and we're going to explain, follow that.
So we're using Amague going back and then Amague moving forward.
Yes, exactly. So for the leaders, when to use embellishments, I personally use the amagues when I'm preparing a figure. For example, in this case, 1 switch amague, and then from here we can walk out for the next figure that we shall show you. Another case, very quick. If you notice, I can do this. 1, walk out, walk on this direction. That's what I mean. I will use them only to prepare a figure, not in the middle. For leaders, this is for leaders, not in the middle where you distract your partners.
Yeah, you have to be sure when you use amagues or any embellishment, any ornaments, it have to be in places that you are not stopping your partner, in any case, for followers or for leaders. In this case, I'm using it also only with my left leg. Back with my left, back with the left to go front. So I'm using the amagues on my left leg. Why? Because look, I will do this is wrong. Don't use the amagues on both legs. In this case, for example, if I use it in both cases, I will use amague, 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 and that will look like a little too much. I mean, you can do it, but it looks like too busy. It's not elegant and can interfere with the leader's next move because you're doing too much of this. So if he wants to change the walk,
he's kind of waiting for you.
He's waiting for you to stop doing amagues.
Yeah.
Like if you do too many amagues, you can confuse the leader, you can stop the work of the leader. And also you're doing too many moves and it's not elegant, it's not simple, it's not beautiful. You can use it, but we don't recommend it. That's it.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
The same happened with the leader on the opposite side. Well, if we do it during the figure, that's what I meant. If you use them during the figure, it's distracting for the follower. Yeah, the follower will say, oh, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? No, don't worry. Try to prepare, do your things when you are about to walk or about to start a new figure. That's when I will use them.
Yeah, also the timing for the amague is a syncopation. Remember, we are not going to stay there and wait much because it's supposed to be in the middle of the steps. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. So it's in syncopation. Don't wait in the amagues much because he will confuse you went to the cross. Or you are using other legs. So it's mostly like bouncing, going, very light cross.
In the opposite side, leaders, we can use syncopation, of course, but since we are preparing, it's a nice touch for the leaders to use extra time. For example, and another figure, 1 and 2 and walk. Or in this figure, 1, 2 and 3 and walk. Yes, so you can take more time. For the leader, looks nicer than for the follower. Thank you so much for being all the way until the end of this video.
Hope you like the amagues. Hope you do it when you need it and don't do it when you don't need it.
We have another videos on amagues there. Make sure to check them out.
See you on the next video.
Bye.